All right, happy Monday. I don't know if you remember, but we had a new rhyme one last week, and it was kind of funny because I say a nonsense word, and then you say not nonsense word, whatever it is, and then something that rhymes with that. Okay, so I will do the first one. This is our practice one. Today we're going to do animals is our category. Okay, so I would say fitten, and you would say not fitten, kitten. Okay, so I'm going to do these with you today because I know they're tough. Zark, not zark. Hopefully you said shark. Storse, not storse, horse. Ticken, not ticken, chicken. Tamil, not tamil, camel. Miger, not miger, tiger. Good. Okay. Onset fluency. I'm going to read each sentence out loud. You listen and tell me what all of those words begin with. Onset fluency means the beginning sound. Okay? For example, cats can climb. You would say k. They all start with the k sound. Billy bought bent bananas. B. Nellie needs 9 nickels. N. Phil felt foolish. F. Elephants exercise elbows. E. Polly pet Patrick's parrot. P. Very good. Okay, we're going to blend the onset, remember, beginning sound, with the rhyme, which is the rest of the word. Soon, your turn. Held, held. Ox, box. Unk, junk. Ink, rink. Very good. Okay, we're going to do the final sound. We're not necessarily punching them out, but we're trying to see if both of these words end with the same sound. So we're trying to figure out what that sound is and then tell me. You repeat the words, then tell me the final sound. Rain, can, and then you repeat rain, can, They both end with Okay? Cub, robe. Moss, class. Up, pipe. Big, slug. Very good. Okay, we're segmenting. Get those choppers out. I'll say it first. You repeat after me. Fang, ang. Your turn. Yell, l. Wand, on. Rocks, ox. Pick, ick. Good. Okay, I have the rhyme. I'm going to add the onset, our beginning sound. We have ache, add to make rake. We have aim, add k to make aim, came. We have ace, add f to make face. We have ave, add wa to make wave. We have aid, add f to make fade. Good. Now I'm deleting. I'm taking part of the word away. Bone without b, what's left? Own. Coke without k, what's left? Oak. Rope without what's left? Ope. Pole without p, what's left? Ole. Very good. Substituting means I take something away and I substitute it with a different sound. So we have tank, change t to b. What's the word? Bank, bank. We have bank, change b to What's the word? Rank. We have rank, change to s. What's the word? Sank. We have sank, change s to th. What's the word? Thank. Very good. Okay. Counting our words in our sentence. We love picking flowers. We love picking flowers. 4. The lunchroom can be noisy. Okay, I'll do it with you. The lunchroom is all one word, can be noisy. 5. One more. Can the dentist help my toothache? I'll let you do it first. Can the dentist help my toothache? Toothache is one word, so that one's 6. All right, that's it. Great job.